Incremental greetings. Today I want to share with you how I change how I do the templates. I have been using SuperMemo for almost a year now. So at the beginning, I started creating templates and more templates. I think my peak was at 40 something templates. And later on, I started to question myself, is that really needed? Because this is adding more complexity. Multiple times I have to apply the template. This is adding more time. Even if I am using AutoHotkey script, it's kind of cumbersome, right? Is this adding quality of learning? So for instance, the true or false template is, let me start the new items. Let me not use that template and use the default. Because now what I will be using is actually a convention. So if I go to search, that's my own convention. Here I have all the items. Now we are using the default template. I created my own personal convention. So I have the true or false, which was a template, the example of, which was also a template, and the keyword shortcuts, and more. I had so many for Japanese, chemistry, quotes, SuperMemo Guru, SuperMemo software, and so on. So now I could do the same. You have one item that is, this is an example of, some people vote, oh, it's a bandwagon effect applied in politics. The question is, do I need more time to realize what I'm questioning? No, because it's right at the beginning. So it's more plain text. It's not that eye candy, but I triggered the same response to my brain. Oh, this guy will be an example of. Even if I don't see the colorful background. So I did a template that is to suit all my cases. If I go back here, I have a large picture and 3 images components. And on top of that, I have one sound component that is between the question and the answer. So long story short is that I only have one template for items. That's it. I don't change templates in case it's no template, and I apply this item template. Super quick, super simple, and effective. And for articles, I have the built-in article, which I think I'm not using. Oh yeah, lol. I created this for my own personal convention. Gotcha. So for incremental reading, I'm not actually using it. Then, article picture, which is the same but with up to 3 image components, are the entire thing, 3000 something, almost all my topics. And then I have, those are built in. I just customize those. And then article research, which the only difference is the background, which is purple. I have just a few. These are research papers. So I'm still experimenting on that. And finally the task. That's all I need. Why don't I have more templates? Because I have one collection for videos, another collection thing for English. This meaning it's my old template that incrementally I'm getting rid of. Overall conclusion is, feel free to experiment to understand how SuperMemo works and then adjust to what you need. Because usually it's an overkill. So the more you're getting used to incremental reading, the less templates you're going to be using. Because you will be relying more on prosody, on how you actually wording your own items, your own conventions. You will have diminishing returns for the complexity you're adding and the benefit you're having back. For me, it doesn't outweigh the benefit. That I think with time, when I'm getting used to this, with just prosody and wording, I will be at the same level. I don't need colors, really. What's my screen? It's a gradation of gray. In the 21st century, gradation of gray, but I don't need anything else. What I need to do is focus on better formulation. I think I will be using just one template for items and 3 templates for topics. That's it.